Does it matter?
No.
Right.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today it's...
me time.
No, it's...
oh, it's Birchbox, sorry.
It's Birchbox time. Yay!
With me.
How much is Birchbox?
£12.95, including postage and packing.
And one day she's going to cancel.
One day she will, when she gets round to it.
Everyone thinks you should do Look Fantastic.
I thought you had that.
Yeah, it ran out. You got it from me.
Out?
You gave me a
did I?
6-month subscription, didn't you?
Alright then.
So maybe you should do Look Fantastic.
Maybe.
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh, that's thank you.
Oh,
it's holographic.
It is holographic.
It's very pretty, isn't it?
Born unicorn.
Oh,
Are you a born unicorn?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Let's have a look. Okay. So you grab.
The box.
Let me read the first bit.
Alright. Yeah.
Oh look, I've got frizzies. Newsflash, each and every Birchboxer is a born unicorn.
Right, okay.
How do we know? Just like the
They've got
mystical creatures
two horns
themselves,
sticking out of
all of
their
you are
head.
bright and bold and utterly unique. Load of bollocks. Which is why this July we're inviting you to embrace your inner magic and celebrate what makes you one of a kind.
I can't wait.
Load of crap, innit?
Do I look like a unicorn?
No.
No.
Mika! Where's your unicorn horn, babe?
There. We're ready.
We're unicorns now.
Yes.
Well,
I'm
Mum's
not.
Rainbow. Mum's
My
Rainbow Dash.
yes.
But we could only find one horn. So it's my house, so I got this.
Right.
Go on then.
Okay. The first item is a little pot, and it's called Lumen.
And this is Instant Glow Fresh Tint in Universal Medium. And
I don't know what she does.
No, there
No,
you
it
go.
doesn't
There you
want
go.
to do
It
it.
does want to. It's just your faces in it. There you go.
There we go.
This is what it is. I'm pretty sure
What is it?
you gave me one of these, something
Did I?
similar. Full size is £32.90. And it's, you won't do it.
Alright.
Formulated with radiance boosting Arctic spring water and antioxidant rich Arctic cloudberry seed.
Oh, look. It's got
Hybrid. Oh, it's like a BB
Oh,
cream.
it's very full. It's absolutely.
Yeah, it's a really full
Chock-a-block.
sample.
Oh, it's very pleasant.
So it's a lightweight all
it
over.
smells nice, darling.
Use yeah, it smells. I've got one,
Oh.
but not that. Mine's in a glass bottle, but it's the same company, and you gave it to me because you didn't like it.
Oh.
Lightweight gel all over your face as a foundation, or if you want more coverage, a tinted primer. So
Oh, that's all right.
it's nice.
It does have a hint of rose about it. You smell. Don't know. Never
It's
mind.
not the right colour for you. Look at your hand. You've got like a grey patch now. Okay,
Never mind.
so that's nice, but
Right,
wrong
next
colour.
thing is a little tube.
This is
and
nice.
This is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray.
I've got one of these somewhere. I think I've got it in my hospital bag.
Right, so I'll give that to Josh.
Yeah, the calming
would be
spritz is
very good.
infused with 100% pure essential oils, including lavender, chamomile, and patchouli. It's clinically proven to help you sleep better. You spray it on your pillow and then breathe in.
Right.
Full size one is £18.
£18, yeah. Then here we've got
What's another mascara? I'll just give her a mascara.
Marcel.
Extension Plus Curl Mascara. This is a Birchbox exclusive and it's £14.50 for a full size. But don't open it because you've just got a new mascara.
Yeah, okay.
Using a uniquely curved and tapered brush that hugs your natural shape of your eye, the blacker than black mascara holds onto every lash to define and lengthen and curl. Wow.
Yeah. Well,
Exciting.
we're whipping through this, aren't we?
We are.
Yeah. So that's
I'll
three,
show you. I'm sure I've got one of them in
three
there.
down and 3 to go.
No, 2 to go.
Oh, 2 to go. Sorry, I was counting the...
So this is the Floss Beauty My Everyday Eyeshadow, and you were meant to choose a colour. Did you choose one?
I did choose a colour.
What one did you choose?
I can't remember.
So you've got it in Tokyo or Maui.
Tokyo. Which one is that?
£12.50.
Not this. No. Sorry, £2.50 possibly.
That is quite small. But it is an eyeshadow. It's a pretty colour.
There we go. Ta-da.
Look.
Right, thank you.
It's quite a pretty colour, look.
Yeah, but you wouldn't put that in your eyes. That looks more like a blusher.
No, you put it like this. Just flip you off.
Why?
You just put it over your eyelid for like a bit of shimmer.
What, a bit like this?
You have to do it with this finger, otherwise it doesn't work.
Why not?
Because it doesn't.
What finger?
This one.
I'm doing it with that one.
Mum just gave everybody the finger.
You horrible, horrible child. Oh dear. I'm gonna cover you in spots of this now.
I don't care.
I do.
Oh, it's highlighty. Oh, look at it.
That was horrible.
Mum just gave all of you the finger.
I did not. I
did. You all saw. She was just like this.
I didn't. Don't be silly.
See, it's pretty.
Is it? What? Can you tell?
Look, no, look.
Have I done that right?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Close your eyes. Yeah, it's pretty. You could use it as a highlighter as well.
I can't see it.
It's pretty.
I don't know. I don't get that.
Very shimmery.
Very shimmery, isn't it, Lucy? You've got it all over your face.
I don't mind.
Right, okay. We'll put that back in its little box. And then the last thing is a
Oh, don't spray it. It's rose. It's rose. I'm so glad you didn't spray that in my
Percy
bedroom.
Reed.
Oh my goodness.
Hair something.
Shine and fragrance spray. Meet our latest love. This is full size and it's £12, which can jog on because it's tiny.
That's not £12.
Adding a burst of rose scented fragrance and instant gloss to your dew, it leaves your hair smelling and looking its best.
There is no way that's
not
is
£12.
full size.
Says it is, look, full size.
Do you think the people who design these have got something wrong with them if they think
Not
that's
like
full size?
no brain.
Yeah, maybe on
Maybe.
drugs or something.
I'm pretty sure that I've got that thing, but in a different pot.
Oh, right.
I want to
Different
look.
colour?
No, I don't know. I'm gonna wait there. I need to see if I've got this Lumen.
Before, because I'd have given it to Josh anyway.
Yeah. Lumen.
Same make.
Invisible Illumination Instant Glow Balm.
No, this is different.
Beauty Serum. It looks very similar on... Put a little bit on my hand. Oh, crap.
A lot. It looks the same, doesn't it? Well, who knows?
They literally look the same thing.
Yeah. Oh, you've got to hand.
They look the same. But it's nice. I do use it. So it's like a really, really, really light.
Is it like a dropper?
Yeah, really light foundation.
That's
you can
quite
just put on.
satisfying just doing that.
So yeah. And then next month,
Well, we might not be doing it.
No,
next
we won't
month.
be doing it next month. I don't think. I might even go on now and cancel. Did you like the box?
It was all right.
Are you a unicorn?
The box is very pretty, but I'm rainbow bright, so why would I like a unicorn box?
Well, some of her friends are unicorns. Sometimes she is.
Is she?
I think so.
Well, I'm not today.
Yeah, next month is a Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist, which I have got
28 bottles of.
probably somewhere.
A hyaluronic, that's a new word that never used to exist a few years ago. I think they make these words up to make them sound expensive, so you buy things.
Possibly. Yeah,
I'm a bit cynical.
that is what's coming next month. So we'll leave links. Vote if you want Mum to do Look Fantastic or another box. But I think Look Fantastic would probably be the way forward.
Yeah?
I think
You
so.
like Look Fantastic.
Everyone likes Look Fantastic. Yeah, I think so. And you get lots of nice skincare in it. But yeah, you can do the outro.
Right, okay, if everybody's like looking at me and Lucy in silly hats, you can subscribe to this channel by pressing a little button somewhere along
there.
And yeah, we'll see you next time, hopefully with a different box.
Yeah.
To see what happens.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.